Hey, grade 3. It's good to be with you today. This is me, Mrs. Isra. Continue our talk about customary units of weight. And this is exercise number 1. Okay? Remember that our units of weight are as follows. 1 pound equal 16 ounces. Again, 1 pound equal 16 ounces. 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. Okay? And remember that ounces is the smallest customary unit of weight. Then the pound, then ton. Okay? Let's try to solve the exercise of book over this part. Okay? And this is page 731. Again, this is page 731. Okay? Focus with me, please. When I have 6 pounds and I want to write it as ounces, remember what we are going to do as follows. We will multiply 6 by 16. 6 by 16, and that will give us 96. Okay? So, 6 pounds is 96 ounces, and I write them as this one. Okay? The next one, 8. If I want to get 8 pounds by ounces, I'll multiply this 8 by also 16. When you multiply 8 by 16, remember to revise the multiplication table so to be able to solve like questions. Okay? 8 multiply 8 multiply 16 will give us 128. So I wrote 8 and 128. And 10 and 12 will be done as previous. Okay? Another one. If you have 2 tons and I want to get it by pounds, you know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So 2 tons, simply I multiplied by 2,000, and that will give us 4,000 pounds. So the 2 tons is 4,000 pounds. Let's try 7. Okay, the same. I'll multiply this 7 by 2,000. And that will give us 14,000 pounds. So 7 ton equal 14,000 pounds. Okay? Let's try another one. 3 tons. I'll multiply this 3 by. Yes, excellent. I'll multiply this 3 by 2,000. So 3 multiply 2,000 will give us 6,000. Okay? Let's try a harder one. When you have 4.5 pound and I want it as ounces. At first, 4 pounds. 2. Write it as ounces. I'll multiply by 16, right? So 4 multiplied by 16 will give us, yes, 64. Will give us 64. Then half of 16 will give us, yes, half of 16 will give us 8. Then I'll add this 64 plus 8. This 64 plus 8 will give us, yes, 72. So the answer is 72. Another one like that. How many ounces give us 11.25 pounds? Simply, again, I'll multiply this 11 by 16. Okay, and that will give us 167. Then I'll multiply quarter of 16, and that will give us 4. So 4 plus 176, that will give us, by addition, will give us 180. Is it hard? Okay, the next question. Circle the table that represents the correct relation between pounds and ounces. Let's try the first one. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Correct. 2 pounds is 2 multiply 16 will give us 32. Correct. 3 multiply 16 will give us 48. Yes, 3 multiply 16 will give us 48. Then 4 multiply 16 will give me 64. So all of them is multiplied by 16 will give us the down one. So the first table is the correct one. Okay? Let's continue. I want to know half ton equal how many pounds? You know that 1 ton equal 2,000 pounds. Correct. So half ton will give us 1,000 pounds. Okay. So that will be 1,000. Okay. And these two tables are homework. Please try to solve it on your own. And if you want anything with it, don't hesitate to contact me on Facebook or over our comments on YouTube video. Okay, let us continue problem solving. First of all, in problem solving, you must read the problem well. Kylie bought a bunch of grapes that weighed 2 pounds and 9 ounces. How much grapes weigh in ounces? Okay, first I'll transfer this 2 pounds into ounces. You know, 2 multiply 16 will give us, correct, will give us 32. This 32, I'll add it to the other 9 ounces he gave us. So 32 plus 9, and that will be 41. Okay, another one. Brent's pickup truck can carry 5 ton. 5 ton. Nina's pickup truck can carry 500 pounds. Whose pickup can carry more weight? Explain. Okay. First, I'll try to find 5th ton. 5th ton will be, will be 5th multiplied by 2,000. 5th multiplied by 2,000. Yes. Will give us 400. Will give us 400. But Nina's 400, sorry. But Nina's have 500. So who can carry bigger weight? That will be Nina, because Nina have 500 pound truck which can carry more than Brent's pickup. Okay, as 500 is greater than 400. Is it hard? Please try to solve it in your own again, and after that, if you want to ask me about anything, please ask me on Facebook, please ask me on YouTube channel, please write it as comments in anywhere, but reach me and try to focus with me in our syllabus of Q4. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to be with you today. Thank you.